Hi, I'm Matt from Panther. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up and use our Slackbot alert destination integration. The Panther Slackbot is a Slack application that sends alerts to a Slack channel you specify. You can interact with the alerts directly in Slack to do things like view additional alert details, assign the alert, and set the alert status. With the Panther Slackbot, security teams can effectively review and take action on alerts from Slack. This reduces context switching, streamlines triage processes, and enables meaningful collaboration. In this example, I'm going to configure the application to work with my free Slack demo account. The setup process differs slightly for users configuring the Slackbot to work with an enterprise-grade Slack plan. Reference the documentation at docs.panther.com/destinations/slack-bot for more information on the enterprise-grade setup process. Note that the Slackbot integration does not currently support multiple alert destinations. Our Slack webhook integration supports multiple Slack destinations, but does not feature integrated alert management. If you want to use the Slackbot and webhook integrations together, the Slackbot's alert context and collaboration functionality can be most useful in dedicated security channels. Additional Slack webhooks can then be set up in other relevant channels. Let's start in the Panther console. I'm currently logged in as a console user with the admin role. In the left sidebar, click Configure and then Alert Destinations. Click Add your first destination. If you have already created destinations, click Create New in the upper right side of the page to add a new destination. Select Slackbot. Click Copy to copy the Slack manifest to your clipboard. You'll need this in the next steps. Keep this browser tab open while you continue through the setup process. In a separate browser tab, log into Slack using an administrator account. Navigate to the Your Apps section of the Slack dashboard. This is located at api.slack.com/apps. Click Create New App. In the Create an App dialog, select the From an App Manifest option. Select the Slack workspace you want to install the Slackbot to and click Next. In the Enter the App Manifest dialog, select YAML. Paste the Slack manifest from the previous steps, replacing the pre-populated demo app example content. Click Next. In the next dialog box, click Create. On the basic information page for your new app, under Install Your App, click Install to Workspace. On the OAuth authorization page, click Allow. To obtain the Panther Slackbot icon for your app, go to docs.panther.com/destinations/slack-bot and download the image from step 4. Back on the basic information page of your app, scroll down to the display information section and add the image you just downloaded. Then scroll up to the app credentials section of the basic information page. You will need this information in the next steps when you finish the configuration in Panther. Back in the Panther console, on the Create Your Slackbot app page, click Continue. In the Display Name field, enter a descriptive name for the alert destination. Note that this is the display name of the alert destination in the Panther console, not the name of the bot in Slack. In the Channel ID or Channel Name field, enter the Slack channel name or Slack channel ID where you want to receive your alerts. Then copy and paste the client ID, client secret, and signing secret from the app credentials page in Slack into the appropriate fields in the Panther console. In the Slack dashboard, navigate to the OAuth and permissions section of your app. Copy the bot user OAuth token from Slack and paste it in the bot OAuth token field in Panther. Then select the severity level, alert types, and log types to send to this destination. You will not receive alerts via this destination unless you associate one or more alert severity levels with it. By default, the destination will receive alerts for all alert types and from all log types unless you configure it otherwise. Finally, select the time zone to use for the messages sent to this destination. Before proceeding, open the Slack workspace you're installing the Slackbot to and navigate to the channel you want to use with Panther. In the Slack channel, type and send /invite@panther to add the bot to the channel. Return to the Panther console. On the Create Your Slackbot application page, click Add Destination. On the next page, you can click Send Welcome Message to test the integration. This will send a message to the Slack channel you've elected to receive alerts. Click Finish Setup. When alerts are triggered that meet the criteria you've set for delivery to this destination, they will be delivered to the channel you specified. For each delivered alert, you'll see a summary, runbook information, as well as alert severity and status. You also have the option to view the alert in the Panther console, assign the alert to a user of the Slack workspace, and update the status. If you resolve an alert, you can add a comment to provide additional context. Additionally, updating the status or assignee in Slackbot will also update the alert in Panther. The first threaded message in the alert contains additional metadata associated with the alert. You are all set to start receiving alerts with the Panther Slackbot. Thanks for watching.